Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just thought I'd do a quick video. Maybe some of you wondered, maybe some of you haven't, but probably wonder why I always bring two chairs with me when I come out here. Well, it's pretty simple really. The goal of the chair, of the stool I'm sitting on, the Cabela's stool, is if I'm working like I am now, one thing, I'm not having to bend over a lot. Well, I mean, I am bending over, but I'm working while I'm kind of resting, so I'm only using my arms to break, firewood up. Like I'm doing now. Just a lot more comfortable to sit and work than stand and do my thing. Plus, I don't have to, really worry about bending my knee. They're already bent. It just makes firewood processing a lot easier if I'm seated versus standing up. I'm a working, I work, full time, so when I come out to the woods, it's to relax. I mean, this kind of stuff is necessary if I want to cook lunch. I mean, I could bring stoves out, and there's nothing wrong with using a stove. I mean, I like stoves too. In fact, I actually did bring a Trangia with me with some fuel, so I'm pretty much ready to go as far as that goes. So. And the other chair, and then this chair is just for relaxation. I can kick back, stretch out my legs, lean back. Very comfortable chair. I did a video on this with a link below, but the stool has no back support, so when you're sitting down for a long period of time on the stool, it kills my back. So with this, I have something I can rest up against, and I can just sit here and watch the river and just relax off camera. Good times. So.